Your engine is constantly trying to balance its diet of air and fuel, and the referee in this game is the oxygen sensor. But what happens when the referee gets slow and sleepy? That is essentially what is happening with code P015A. This code specifically points to a delayed response from the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1, sensor 1. That is the sensor located right before your catalytic converter on the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder. Normally, this sensor switches voltage very rapidly, jumping back and forth to tell the computer if the mixture is rich or lean. It is a very fast heartbeat. When this code sets, that heartbeat has slowed down. The sensor is taking too long to tell the computer what is going on, and that lag time kills your fuel economy and performance. Inside that sensor, there is a zirconium element that reacts to oxygen ions, creating voltage. If it gets contaminated or old, the reaction slows. While this might not stop your car dead in its tracks immediately, I would categorize it as severe, because a lazy sensor can cause your engine to run too rich, which can destroy your expensive catalytic converter over time. You might notice your gas mileage dropping, or the engine feeling sluggish. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, you need to do some detective work. Start by looking for exhaust leaks near the sensor. A small crack or loose gasket introduces fresh air that confuses the sensor. Also, check the wiring. Is it melted against the exhaust? If the physical checks pass, use a scanner to watch the live data. You want to see that voltage bouncing between 0.1 and 0.9 volts quickly. If it is lazy and slow on the graph, and you have ruled out exhaust leaks and wiring issues, then it is likely time to replace that sensor. Just make sure you fix any underlying issues, like a vacuum leak or an exhaust leak first, or the new sensor will just give you the same headache.